last review from holiday, and it's going to be it's a Imperial Stout, and it's from Morrison's. It's a Dark Matter Decadent Stout. If you can see that, it's a dark. Oh, there we go. It's a collab between Northern Monk. Can't get that focused, can I? Between Northern Monk and Wiper and True. And that Wiper and True seems to do some pretty good stouts. Yeah, I can't get a light on it, right, for it to focus. There you go, it's focused a bit in it. So that's basically, it's Dark Matter. Oh, it's better on that side, actually. There you go. Dark Matter, Northern Monk, Wiper and True. Both can do some really good stouts. Roast malt chocolate, it says on the side. It's 8.4%. And because I haven't got any glasses that are appropriate for this, I'm actually today going to use a wine glass. So we're going to have it in a wine glass. So that's quite interesting, isn't it, really? So let's pour it into the wine glass, because it's a nice decadent Imperial Stout, and you want it in this kind of glass, really. You don't want it in a wide glass. You want a glass where you can swirl it around, get a really good nose in. In fact, let's do it. Ooh, smells quite treacly, a little bit blackcurranty, bitter dark chocolate. It does smell quite nice, actually. It smells quite high quality. We're getting the bitterness from the dark chocolate there. Definitely getting blackcurrant notes there. Getting a little bit of treacle. Getting a little bit of smoke. Kind of puts me in mind a bit of the Storm Shadow that Buxton did for Tesco a while ago, which was a nice beer. We're getting cherries. We're getting cherries and berries and yeah, smells good. Okay, I'm thinking I've given this one a taste already. Okay, we're getting coffee in there actually as well. Getting some bitter coffee. Certainly getting the blackcurrant in there. Smells delightful. Let's have a go. Cheers. Okay, medium mouthfeel. A little bit thin for an 8.4%, not going to lie. Nice and bitter. Got a nice bitterness there in the chocolate. Got roasted coffee in the taste there. So I wouldn't say it's particularly sweet, so if you don't like your Imperial Stouts too sweet, then this is a nice one for you. So I call it an Imperial Stout. I mean, you know, I know Imperial Stouts are generally more than about 10%, usually a good Imperial Stout. Call it maybe a strong stout, this one. It doesn't refer to itself as an Imperial Stout, so it refers to itself as a decadent stout. Let's have a little look at the can. Unite in a space race to find dark matter. So they are determined to find dark matter there. Is there anything else it says about it? It doesn't say much else about it there. Is there any info on the bottom of the can? Oh, we got some info here. Best before the end of... Oh, I can't read it upside down. Let's have a look. Oh, the lighting in here is terrible. Oh yeah, it's July 2024. Okay, so no canned on date. Best before July 2024. That implies to me that it was packaged on July 2023. That's generally how it works with these beers. Yeah, it's chocolatey, it's coffee-y, it ticks all the boxes for an Imperial Stout. I'd say it's a little bit thin. I think the alcohol to taste ratio is a little bit off on it, but I must admit it's nice. It's pleasant. I think it was £4 a can, but Morrison's are doing the old 4 for 3 deal. But I'd say I never include deals like that when I'm doing the value ratings, so I'm going to rate this as a £4 can of beer. So quality, it's decent. It's all right. You know, it's not amazing. Not knocking my socks off. So I think for quality, I'm going to give this one a B+. It's good. It's certainly B tier. It's either a B or a B+. I'm going to be generous. Give it a B+. I do like my Imperial Stouts. And then value at that price, £4. I think, you know, for that one, I'd say you get what you pay for, very much so. Value, it's getting a B. So there you go. B for value, B+ for quality. It's a decent shout. If you're in Morrison's, get yourself one of these. I don't think you'll be disappointed. It is nice, and I say compared to a lot of other beers at the same price, it's a decent shout. You know, it's possibly a B plus for the value there rather than a B, but it's, you know, you certainly won't be disappointed. Anyway, I'm going to finish off the rest of this one. Remember to like and subscribe. Till the next time, have a good one.